안녕하세요. Welcome to Cafe Korean. I'm Lydia, your Korean teacher, and today I want to start with the brief review of the format first. So each syllable is in a block. We are still reading the whole word. It comes left to right and top to down. And it always starts with the consonant and then a vowel and then last consonant at the end or not. For 안녕, the last consonant this and this, we call it consonant base, 받침 in Korean. And for 하세요, they don't have 받침, so you can just leave them 하세요. So 받침 is the consonant placed under the consonant vowel in the consonant-vowel consonant structure. Most of the consonants can be used as a consonant base, but the pronunciation is restricted to 7 sounds of 가나다라, 마바아. Then let's go and find out some consonant-based pronunciation examples. 책, 부엌, 박, 곧, 옷, 있다, 낮, 꽃, 밭, 히읗, 길, 삶, 밤, 숲, 강. Then thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, then click the like button and subscribe my channel, please. 안촉촉한 초코칩 나라에 살던 안촉촉한 초코칩이 촉촉한 초코칩 나라의 촉촉한 초코칩을 보고 촉촉한 초코칩이 되고 싶어서 촉촉한 초코칩 나라에 갔는데 촉촉한 초코칩 나라의 문지기가